Okay, so tonight's project is a charger for a mobility chair, 24 volts. I don't believe I'm going to be able to fix this one, and it happens, but it was an interesting device to pull apart and see how some of the components were put in there and used. Uh, Part of the problem, I believe, there is a diode right down inside of there that without desoldering all of this and pulling the shield off. Yeah, see, I don't know if I don't think I can get it in there. But if I could replace that diode, maybe it would work. But I don't have a lot of confidence in that because there's a few other little parts on here that don't look so healthy to me. So I see a spot there that might actually be a problem as well. So I might try it and replace. There is a resistor right here, and I may try to replace that. See if that can work. I need a better webcam. Anyways, part of this was a very nice case. It's a aluminum extrusion that on just first glance, it actually looks like one piece. You could barely see the seam around here, so I'm very pleased with how that is put together. It's very interesting that it fits so nicely together. And when these were bolted into place, yeah, you definitely couldn't tell that it was multiple pieces. So that case is going to be very nice to get to use and take apart, and maybe put something new inside of. There's a switch, fuse holder, the input cord. I may hang on to those too, just because it'd be very nice to have those. These little strain release are kind of nice in that you can actually usually get them out. So you just take a small pair of pliers. So needle nose work very well. You can probably hear my kiddos having fun in there. But needle nose usually work pretty well, but I like these little tiny channel locks. A friend of mine had some, and I don't know, after using them for several times, I went and got my own set. They've actually been very handy. So anyways, you just take it on the inside of the enclosure, not the outside. You just take it and you squeeze it and push it down. And there we go. Almost got it. Once you've got that out, there we go. You just pull that loose, and you can replace that wire or reclaim the strain relief. This little guy. So we have a strain relief, a nice cord. It's only rated for 300 volts, so not very high amperage, but that's okay. It's a decent cord for if I had a transformer or something I wanted to put in here for driving LEDs or something like that. And of course I have the screws that go in the box as well. So unfortunately I can't fix it, but I can reclaim some parts off of it, and sometimes to me that's just as good.